Ya, halo semuanya dan selamat datang di Fang Joker Stage. Di video pertama channel ini pastinya. Ya, masih belum ada intronya karena masih video yang pertama. Ya, but anyway, selamat datang di video pertama di channel gaming ini, teman-teman semuanya. Ya, Fang Joker Stage adalah channel gaming di mana saya Fang Joker akan menghadirkan walkthrough dari game-game yang akan saya mainkan pastinya ya. Sekedar informasi, game-game yang akan saya mainkan di sini adalah kebanyakan sebagian besar adalah game-game RPG ya. Ya, mungkin nanti kedepannya akan ada juga first person shooting atau apapun itu ya. Ya, but mainly it's an RPG gaming because I'm an RPG lover, you can say that. Oke, dan untuk video yang pertama ini, teman-teman semuanya, para penonton dari Fang Joker Stage, saya tentunya di sini sudah menyiapkan satu game yang akan saya mainkan pastinya, teman-teman semua, untuk video yang pertama ini. Dan untuk game pertama di channel ini yang akan saya mainkan adalah Assassin's Creed Odyssey, teman-teman semua. So, without further ado, let's get started. Oke, jadi teman-teman, kita akan mulai saja nih memainkan game Assassin's Creed Odyssey ya, teman-teman semua. Oke, sekedar informasi, saya tidak mainkan game Assassin's Creed Odyssey yang normal, saya akan memainkan yang versi modnya, teman-teman semua. Jadi ini adalah, maksudnya bukan ada yang versi mod, tapi ini yang sudah saya mod, teman-teman semua ya. Jadi sudah ada beberapa mod yang saya masukkan di game ini ya. Kenapa di mod? Karena ya, saya sudah pernah mainkan versi PS4 ya, teman-teman semua. Sudah beberapa kali tamat di versi PS4 dan ya saya pengen coba sesuatu yang beda lagi tentunya, teman-teman semua ya. So, without further ado, let's just start the game. Oke, ya. Jadi bagi teman-teman yang baru pertama kali menyaksikan Assassin's Creed Odyssey, meskipun saya yakin sebagian besar sudah pernah ya. Jadi cerita Assassin's Creed Odyssey ini dimulai dengan pertarungan dari 300 Spartans ya, teman-teman semua.
Have you ever gone fishing with your son?
No, never. A soldier's life is all I've had the honor to know.
I would have liked to have gone fishing with my son.
Iya, jadi ini King Leonidas, teman-teman semua. Ya mungkin teman-teman tahu The Battle of 300 Spartans itu dari film 300 ya. Iyalah, itu film terkenal, saya nggak tahu gitu loh. Okay, here we go.
Spartans! Every breath that you have taken has led you to this moment. Every drop of blood, sweat, and tear, all of it has led to where you stand right now.
Okay.
The Persians come to make slaves of us all. I have a better idea. I say we drench the gods with their bloods! What say you, Spartans? For our sons! For our daughters! For Sparta!
For Sparta! Spartans, man. Oh yeah. Let's go. Okay. There we go. Jadi di awal-awal kita akan main jadi King Leonidas dulu, teman-teman ya. Bisa ditampilin di YouTube guys ini. Oh, oke. Oke. Easy. Oh, oke, my king. Go, rush. Nice. Oh. Oke, ini Oke, untuk pertarungan ini teman-teman, kita kemampuan itu masih apa ya, masih unlimited, jadi kita mau jurus berapa kali ability kita tuh gak bakal berkurang. Oh. Oke, ini kita coba sini dulu dong. Coba lagi, ini seru. Oh iya, ini. Oke, here we go, teman-teman. Oke, makan nih. This is Sparta. Oh yes. Itu tendangan ikonik ya. Itu tendangan ikonik banget. Oke, sekali lagi. This is Sparta. Itu tendangan dibuat ikonik sama film 300 ya. So, mau lah. Come on. Itu salah satu scene terbaik di film 300 kalau menurut saya sih. Ya sorry ya, saya agak ngeliat sini soalnya. Oh, komandannya.
Unique Spartan, I'll bring Xerxes your head!
Oh, you can try.
Xerxes sends his sheep to slaughter. Come, Persian! I'll bring Xerxes your head, you insolent Spartan fool! Come and get it! Your bloodline ends today, Spartan! I'll get drunk on your blood as the crows feed on your eyes! You will try, and you will fail! Xerxes is the king of kings! All will bow before him after I crush you!
Oh really?
Come
Okay.
soon! Enough talk! Time to die! My son is more of a warrior than you! Once I'm done with you, king, all of Sparta's sons will be slain for Xerxes! Sparta's sons would rather die! That can be arranged! Not so tough without your army to protect you! Then why are you bleeding so much?
Oh yes. King
No match
Leonidas,
for a
man.
Spartan!
No match for a Spartan. Oh iya. Untuk pertarungan ini Spartan berhasil menang.
We are betrayed, my king.
Oh.
Xerxes knows of the path behind the mountain.
Pengkhianat ini. Emang pengkhianat ya. Ada pengkhianat rupanya di antara mereka.
Will be completely surrounded.
We are Spartans. When are we not?
Spartans. That word will mean nothing when Xerxes wipes your bloodline from the face of...
Oke. Itu kayaknya harus saya sensor deh.
Was a day the Persians will never forget. Tomorrow is a day the world will remember.
Emang ya King Leonidas itu. Ini dia nih.
Wow, this is big, Layla. Did you really think it's the spear?
This is the one. The book was almost right on top of it. I've never been so lucky in my life. Okay, let's start her up.
Are you sure we can trust this thing? I mean, the book could be...
Just started, Victoria.
Ya, nyalain
You're the
aja
boss. I'll prep it for you.
Ya, nyalain aja lah. Oke, jadi ini dia ini juga karakter utama bukan karakter utama ya teman-teman,
Okay, so
tapi
worth noting,
karakter
I've made some
yang
changes
terhubung
since we're last in
di
here.
Assassin's Creed Odyssey.
There's
Odyssey
no keeping
Origins
up with the tech
maksudnya.
industry these days.
I can crank up the simulation
Jadi
to maximum
Assassin's
sensory
Origins yang
synchronization
kembali
if
ke
you're up
masa
for
lalu
it.
akan Imus ya, itu juga gila. Oke, kita main di normal aja deh
Let's
ya.
take
nggak
this
suka
one
yang
step at a
terlalu
time.
easy
Understood.
aja.
If you're looking for something a little more intense, I can always adjust the settings for you later. This
Yeah,
bit
yeah,
will let
thank
me
you.
know how much information will be fed to you during your time in the Animus.
Oke, kita pakai guided mode aja. Ini soalnya dunianya benar-benar luas, teman-teman. Kalau misalnya kita exploration mode, benar-benar dilepas, bakal susah kemana-mana. Kita nggak tahu arah, kita nggak tahu ini, nggak tahu itu, susah. Jadi ya udah guided aja deh.
Give me as much information as you got. There's no way I'm going in there without some guidance.
Glad to
true.
help. You can always change your mind later. Listen, Layla,
Ah,
before
wala.
you go off,
If this book is right, this spear, this story, it will change everything.
you're putting a lot of faith in a fairly unreliable source. Historian or not, this guy wrote about magical objects and the will of the gods.
He's not
Oke.
Homer. Herodotus was the first recorded historian, so there's a lot more truth in that text than you think. I mean, what
Oke.
better way is there of
Jadi
finding
ini
Isu
adalah
artifacts than
ya
by
nanti
trusting
deh.
in the guy who
Seiring
claimed to be an
berjalannya
actual
cerita akan
descendant?
ketahuan.
I know, but
I need you to trust me. You could be right. This spear, this book, it could all be crap. But something tells me it isn't, and I'm certainly not gonna let Abstergo find out first.
you're right. We haven't got much to lose anyway. There's just one small problem.
Oke.
What is it?
This manuscript is in rough condition, to say the least. The DNA found on the spear has identified two different individuals.
Oke, jadi
You're gonna have to
yang
pick
ada
which
di
strand of DNA to pursue.
spear
The choice
ini
is
ada dua
yours.
ya. Oke, jadi kita akan pakai Alexius teman-teman ya. Ya maksudnya kalau pakai Cassandra juga bisa. Ini tidak akan ada yang berubah teman-teman semuanya ya. Kalau mau pakai Alexius ataupun juga mau pakai Cassandra, itu tidak akan ada yang berubah dari jalan ceritanya, karakter-karakter yang sama, dialog-dialognya juga masih sama. Pokoknya semuanya benar-benar sama teman-teman. Yang beda itu hanya karakternya saja. Jadi saya bakal pakai Alexius ya.
He will lead us down the right path, I'm sure.
All right, boss. We're finally good to go. 431 BCE, here we come.
431
Start
BCE.
the Peloponnesian War.
Good luck in there. No
Peloponnesian.
pressure or anything, but we're all depending on you.
Abstergo isn't gonna win this time. If what the book says is true and we do actually find the artifact, the assassins will finally have a chance to rise again.
Oke.
You can do it.
Oh, and Victoria, read the book. It holds the secrets I won't be able to find on my own when I'm in there.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oke, jadi ini kalau ini berhasil misi mereka dengan Alexios ini, mereka tuh bisa mendapatkan keunggulan melawan Templar gitu loh. Jadi Layla ini kan assassin ya. Kalau ini misi berhasil, mereka tuh bisa mendapatkan keunggulan yang sangat jauh dari para Templar gitu loh. Wah, keren. Ya, tapi kalau teman-teman katakanlah masih belum pernah masih belum familiar dengan Assassin's Creed, ini technically cerita mengenai para assassin melawan para Templar gitu loh. Yang satu ingin kebebasan manusia, yang satu ingin mengendalikan manusia gitu. Jadi ya sebenarnya bukan mengendalikan sih ya, tapi memerintah gitu. Karena Templar itu pengen memerintah. Oke, Nah, ini teman-teman lihat nih ya. Nih coba lihat nih, ini maksudnya mod nih. Kalau teman-teman mungkin ingat ya, kalau originalnya Alexios ini kan rambutnya panjang. Nah, di sini rambutnya pendek. Ya, mod, the power of mod kan. Tapi kayaknya ada sedikit kesalahan.
Cyclops got a message for you.
Tell your boss he can stick it.
Oh,
Last week!
Malaka!
Malaka.
The
Okay,
Cyclops
bisa.
said you like to
Iya,
act
iya.
tough. So act tough!
Get a little closer and I will.
Oke,
You
ayo.
should know by now. The Cyclops always collects his debt.
Very.
You have a lesson to learn.
If the Cyclops wants to teach me, tell him to come here himself.
Very.
Never mess with the Cyclops!
Oh. Ini kayaknya ada yang salah. Oke, lanjutin aja dulu.
Last week.
Salah ini.
This shit happens every week.
Perbaiki.
I can't keep doing this.
Tiap minggu, Mac. Lelah lah.
Nah. Thanks for the warning.
Thanks for the warning, man. Bird.
What happened to you?
Nothing.
It's nothing, Phoebe. All taken care of now.
Just
The Cyclops
something
again,
that
huh?
happen every week.
Hasn't he learned his lesson yet?
Apparently not.
Apparently.
Of course. Help yourself.
Ya, makan deh.
You hungry too, Icarus? Do you think Zeus will bless me with an ego like he blessed you, Alexios? Maybe you could ask him for me.
Of course.
I'll try to put in a good word for you.
Finally.
So, what are you doing here?
Oh, I almost forgot. Marcos is looking for you.
What does that weasel want now?
Sekarang dia
Don't
mau apa
know.
nih?
He wants you to meet him at his new house. On his vineyard.
Wait, what? A vineyard?
Hah? Vineyard,
Malaka.
ladang anggur.
It's on the road to Sami. He says wine will make him rich.
Since when has he had a vineyard?
Ya kapan dia punya ladang anggur?
Yesterday, I think.
Sejak kemarin.
So, Marcos, who
Marcos,
owes me drachmi,
yang
is buying
berutang,
vineyards.
punya ladang anggur
With what
sekarang.
money?
Dari mana
I don't
duitnya?
know.
Aduh, ini udah gak beres nih.
Where can I find Marcos's new beautiful estate?
You know the statue of Zeus on Mount Ainos? It's south of that.
Di selatan patung Zeus.
Well, I guess I owe Marcos a little visit.
Oke,
Thank you,
kita
Phoebe.
kunjungin aja dulu deh. Dasar anak-anak. Udah deh. Nih,
I'll go tell Marcos you're coming.
My head.
aduh. Oke, jadi di sini kita dikasih lihat ya kalau kita tuh punya pilihan. Setiap pilihan kita itu punya impact yang berbeda, teman-teman. Oke, jadi ini kalau kita mau ngabisin mereka sekarang ini, cuma ya udahlah kita lepasin aja ya. Toh juga cuma orang suruhan.
Fun's over. Tell that one-eyed freak, if he sends you here again, I'm going to cut his other eye out and feed it to my bird.
Oke, diancam kalau misalnya Bran datang
I'll
lagi,
see Marcos.
diambil satu
As
lagi
soon as I'm
matanya.
dressed.
Ya deh. Oke deh, bentar dulu teman-teman ya.
I'll have to
be
go
back.
up top to get dressed.
Oke, and we're back ya teman-teman semuanya. Mohon maaf tadi ada sedikit yang harus saya buat dengan modnya, but look at that. Ya akhirnya ya jenggotnya saya hilangin teman-teman semua. Mohon maaf, I just really don't like that. I'm not a big fan of beard, so yeah, if I can remove it, I'll remove it. Oke, but anyhow, kita akan langsung saja teman-teman semuanya. Kita akan ke tempatnya si Marcos, teman kita, yang katanya baru beli ladang anggur, teman-teman semua. Tapi masalahnya, dia juga ngutang sama kita. Jadi itu duit dari mana dia beli ladang anggur? Ya udahlah, let's just go and see, I guess. Katanya sih tempatnya ada di sebelah patung, di sebelah selatan patung Zeus ya. Jadi kita ke patung Zeus aja dulu. Oke, let's go. Hah, apa nih? Oh, tadi.
That's
Ini
what I
tadi.
get for sparing you. No manners.
Oke, udah bodoh lah ya. Ini tadi udah dilepas. Mereka tinggal kita kasih, kita apa ya? kita kasih ampun. Ujung-ujungnya begini, oke lah. Sini lah kalau begini ceritanya udah nggak bisa. Aduh, nggak bisa nih. Udah dikasih ampun, ujung-ujungnya begini, bodoh. Sini kamu semua, sini nggak. Au. Oh, oke. Sial. Udah dikasih ampun, udah dilepasin ya. Begini ujung-ujungnya. Halah. Ya teman-teman, jadi orang jangan gitu ya. Kalau udah dikasihani udah, gak usah random lagi lah. Ya, udah deh.
There you are. Let's see what you've gotten yourself into this time, Marcos.
Oke, tuh dia tuh si Marcos.
Guess this is the vineyard. Straight ahead.
Enaknya Assassin's Creed Odyssey ini teman-teman semua ini sama dengan Assassin's Creed Origins ya. Jadi mau dimanapun, di permukaan apapun bisa manjat.
Boss, I keep telling you can't do that.
Why? It's my farm.
Okay.
I can plant what I want.
The grapes will die here.
Okay.
All of them.
You have to forget what you know about the past, my friend. Together, we will revolutionize winemaking. Believe me, you will look back on this day and... Alexios, thank the gods. Phoebe found you in time.
About grapes?
I can still hear you. I was worried sick. The Cyclops sent his scum to find you. I think they mean you harm.
I wish you would have told me that before they hit me. But that's besides the point. You bought a vineyard, Marcos? A vineyard?
Beli ladang anggur.
I like wine, you like wine, everybody likes wine. Everybody buys wine. Why not from me?
Okay.
Because you don't know how to grow grapes or make wine.
I'm a fast learner.
You kan nggak tahu caranya tumbuhin anggur gimana?
It's that simple, is it?
Simple
you know me
ya.
better than to think I don't have a plan. Marcos always has a plan.
Okay, like what?
Then do you have the money you owe me?
Oke, jadi utang gimana?
Do I have the money I owe you? Of course. Well, no, not at the moment.
Nah, okay.
Then get it.
Instantly, my friend, instantly. But maybe you should do that. There is a merchant in Sami. I'm not very good at these things, as you know.
You want me to collect my own debt?
Jadi kita yang harus nagih hutang kita sendiri.
Who's the merchant?
Dhuris. You know Dhuris. He's very nice.
Dhuris? How stupid can you get? Stop giving him money.
Jangan kasih uang lagi katanya. Berarti bukan cuma kali ini ya.
Exactly. Everybody benefits. Dhuris gets his money, I get my interest, and you have work. Kefalonia is wonderful, is it not?
Yeah, sure. Udah, di mana?
Where can I find Dhuris?
In a shop in Sami overlooking the docks. You know this, Alexios.
Will he be there?
You mistake me for the Pythia. I couldn't possibly know.
Yeah. Oke lah, berarti kita mesti nyari sendiri ya. Udah, gimana dong nih?
How do you want to handle this one?
Not
mau
like
di-handle bagaimana nih?
That olive oil business. That was too much.
I got the money.
Kan uangnya
And
dapat.
now we'll never get any more from him. If you kill them all, nobody benefits.
Ya udah deh.
Threatening them and maybe more. Breaking things, certainly.
Okay.
Steal the money if you have to, but don't rob me of my customers. Unless you can't avoid it. These things happen.
Oke dan. Jadi ceritanya nih teman-teman. Marcos ini itu utang duit sama kita. Sekarang dia minta kita nagih duit ke orang lain supaya bisa ngelunasin utangnya. Jadi ujung-ujungnya kita minta duit ke orang lain. Oh my god, Marcos, that's a great idea. Ada deh.
He'd better have my money, Marcos. I'd hate to have to sell our vineyard.
Okay.
Of course he will. Oh, after there's another matter I want to discuss with you. After.
Fine. But I'm taking a horse.
Udah, tapi
it's too hot.
Saya ambil
too
kuda
long
ya.
a walk to go on foot.
But
think of it as interest, Marcos. Everybody benefits.
Ini cuma bunganya
of course, my
ya.
friend. You shall have your pick.
Ya anggap ini sebagai bunga lah. Semuanya untung. Alright then. Oke. Nah, jadi ini kuda 3 ini apa aja kuda?
Tell me about this one.
The Skiros. You have an eye for sturdy stock, my friend. That horse can cling to mountain passes like a goat.
Oke. Jadi ini kalau yang paling kiri dia tuh jago naik gunung.
The one in the middle.
Yang tengah gimana?
Ah, you have picked a beauty, my friend. That horse is from Thessalonia.
Dari Thessalonia.
Bred for its courage.
Oke, jadi pemberani lah kuda yang di tengah ya. Nah, terus yang kanan gimana nih?
I like the look of the one on the right.
Ah, the Macedonian. These are bred for battle.
Oke.
A true warrior's horse.
Jadi ceritanya kuda perang lah ya kalau untuk yang di sebelah kanan. Oke, kayaknya sambil yang di tengah.
I've made my choice.
Which one will it be?
Saya ambil yang di tengah.
I'll take the one in the middle.
I need a brave
fine
horse,
choice.
man.
But this particular breed has a few quirks that you might not be aware of. I wouldn't want you to take an unworthy horse.
Ya, serah deh. Ya udah. I'll take it.
This is the one I want.
Are you sure? Because
I'm sure,
Yeah.
Marcos.
everybody benefits, especially you. You've chosen the great Phobos.
Great
He's
Phobos.
never let me down.
Phobos.
Phobos.
Remember, meet me at the temple in Sami when you have your money from Duris.
Oke.
Ah, Efterpi. There's plenty of wine left to buy. Don't fret.
Not now, you fool. Phoebe's been taken.
Waduh.
By who?
Diculik
Dogs of the
Phoebe.
Cyclops. Who else? Snatched her right off the
Jadi
main
teman
road.
kita si anak kecil
Tell me
tadi
where they
diculik.
went.
In the direction of Itimena Beach.
The
Katanya ada di
beach?
Ketimene
Can she
Beach.
swim?
I'll get her.
Yes,
Udah, ayo kita
go.
selamatin
But
dulu
don't
deh.
forget about dear Duris, Alexios.
Iya, bentar. Habis kita selamatin teman kita dulu lah. Oke, jadi kita akan pergi menyelamatkan Phoebe, teman-teman semua ya. Si teman kecil kita yang tadi itu. Oke, let's go. Gimana sih jalannya? Ya ke situ ya.
Off we go.
Kalau nggak salah, oke. Ya, jadi kalau ditekan X, teman-teman, ya, tekan X dia akan mengikuti jalan kemanapun penunjuk jalannya ya, kemanapun penunjuk jalannya itu ada. Jadi katakanlah sekarang ada misi, nah dia akan otomatis pergi ke misi itu, teman-teman, ke tempat misi ya.
There they are.
Nah tuh dia tuh.
I'll sneak up on the Malakes.
Oh, kita akan mengendap-endap teman-teman semua.
Come on.
Turunnya di mana? Mengendap-endap itu tekan apa sih? Oke, tekan bulat teman-teman. Tarik. It's been a while.
Let me go!
Shut it, or I'll tighten those ropes.
Oh,
She'll make good ransom drachmi for the Cyclops.
oke.
No one's gonna buy me from you. They're all poor.
Katanya nggak bakal ada yang nggak ada bakal yang nebus saya lah. Semuanya, semua orang-orang di sini tuh miskin semua.
This tall grass will keep me hidden.
Oke, come on. Nah, sekarang saatnya kita panas kasir.
Can't let the rest of those Malakes get away.
Oke, kita akan habisi. Nah, ini untuk kalau teman-teman semuanya sedang sembunyi, teman-teman bisa tarik perhatian musuh dengan tekan bawah. Jadi dia akan siul, musuh mendekat dan ya, itu dia. Mendekat dan ya tinggal di assassinate saja. Nah, tapi yang beda teman-teman semua, untuk Assassin's Creed Odyssey ini assassination-nya itu tidak tidak selamanya one hit kill. Jadi kalau teman-teman semua dapat musuh yang lebih tinggi levelnya, itu kemungkinan besar musuhnya nggak bakal langsung mati meskipun kita assassinate ya, meskipun kita sembunyi terus kita assassinate, itu kemungkinan besar nggak langsung mati kalau levelnya terlalu tinggi. Oke, kita ambil yang ini dulu, yang dekat aja.
That Marcos is going to be next.
Halo. Oke, dan yang terakhir pelan-pelan in surprise.
Time to
Okay.
get Phoebe out of here.
Kita selamatin Phoebe.
Alexios, I'm here! Untie me!
Are you all right?
Gak apa-apa.
It wasn't so bad.
Last time they put a cloth in my mouth so I'd stop biting.
Oh my god. Jadi bukan pertama kali ini diculik ya.
Be careful. You're alone now
Oh, sekarang dia udah sendirian ya.
I'm okay. I've got you and
Kan ada
you've
kamu
got
sama
me and
Marcos.
Marcos. We're your family, right?
Keluarga ya. Oke, jadi ini ada sedikit flashback dari Alexios ya.
You'll have to be stronger than that.
Oke,
Don't give in! Let him have it!
keluarganya Alexios. Oh,
Got you.
aduh, orang tua.
Again, up.
Yes, Pater.
Ya, Pater.
Spartan rises as soon as
Spartan
they have fallen.
bangkit segera setelah dia jatuh.
Ready your staff. Widen your stance. A soldier grounds themselves.
Ooh.
Good. Good.
Oke.
Approach me.
Maju.
That's enough, Nikolaus. The sun's going down. Time to eat, don't you think?
What are we eating tonight?
Kenapa nih?
Tonight we are having baby Cassandra.
Oke.
And what a feast she will be.
No, not her. Take me instead. I'm tasty.
Yes,
Jokesnya
you're sweet
agak
as
dark
fun.
ya.
Now, come inside. The lamb's turning black.
Here. Lay her in bed.
Taruh tempat itu.
Yes, Pater.
Oh siap.
Alexios. You are my greatest
Kau
pride.
adalah kebanggaanku yang paling besar. Ingat itu.
Remember that. You will bring this family to glory.
Kau akan membawa keluarga ini pada kejayaan.
Go.
He's a good father, man. He's a good father. Dan memang anak-anak Spartan dari kecil udah dilatih seperti itu, teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman pengen tahu, nonton The 300 ya. Di situ cukup diperlihatkan bagaimana perjuangan anak-anak Spartan
You
gitu.
worry too much.
Apalagi anak-anak laki-lakinya ya.
We'll be alright if we watch out for each other. Which reminds me, the thug said you should watch your back.
Oh, they should watch their back.
They said the Cyclops put a big bounty on you. Talos the Stonefist wants you dead.
Talos the Stonefist.
The mercenary.
Mercenary, tentara bayaran.
Am I ever not in trouble?
Better get him before he gets you. I hear he's really mean.
Oh yeah.
I'll find my way back to town. Here.
Okay, see you later.
Talos the Stone Fist? That's just what I need today. Another broken nose. I'm going to have to take care of that.
Ya. Oke lah. Oke, jadi kita sekarang dikejar-kejar sama pemburu hadiah lah ya, mercenaries, pembunuh bayaran. Oke. Mana nih? Nah, ini dia nih. Nah, jadi kita juga punya ini teman-teman, kita juga punya peringkat ya. Jadi kalau kita bisa menghabisi para pembunuh bayaran yang di atas kita, maka peringkat kita juga akan naik teman-teman semua. Semakin tinggi level yang berhasil kita kalahkan, maka peringkat kita juga akan naik semakin tinggi, tentunya seperti itu ya. Ya, but I'll save that for another video. Untuk video pertama di channel ini sampai di sini dulu teman-teman semuanya ya. But I'll save that for another video. Untuk video pertama di channel Gaming Fang Joker Stage sampai di sini dulu. Terima kasih bagi semuanya yang sudah menyaksikan. Mohon maaf jika masih ada salah kata atau salah ucapan yang membuat kurang nyaman. Dan sampai bertemu di video yang berikutnya. Until then, stay safe, stay up to date, and I'll see you on the other side.